Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to draw a flower in Inkscape. So right now I'm sizing it to the way I want it. So I want it to be a little bit like that. And then you want to like squeeze it like that, and then you duplicate it. And then I use that thing which does the scaling for you automatically. Like it won't like be all weirdly shaped, but yeah. So now I'm gonna move it, and yeah, I'm gonna keep on doing it. So right now I am moving the pivot, which is the middle, which you can move anywhere to rotate your object, and then it easily rotates it in that like radial format. So I think it's easy when you want to create like abstract designs, like mosaic pattern. I think that's where you use it. But in this case, we're drawing a flower, which is pretty simple. So now I'm going to move it how I like it. And yeah, I think that this is a pretty easy tutorial. You just follow, and then yeah. Now I'm going to duplicate it and keep on duplicating it, and then kind of rotate it and try to put it all together. And later we're going to do a circle and draw it and then hide it beneath. To rotate the object, you just have to double click on it. I think this flower is looking great so far, so cool. And then once you do that, then you duplicate it, and then yeah. So duplicate it so then it does have the same sizing everywhere, but yeah. You shouldn't do. Everything is basically similar to size. It's so much better and so much easier that way. So yeah, make sure to like this video and know that comment below if you like more videos like this. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want more content like this. I'm trying to get more into vectorized because I think it's important to know, especially if you're creative and you want to expand your horizon. And now I'm trying to create more petals and finding a way to do that. I already did the circle. I just put everything beneath it. You just have to click that beneath button on the top. You see those ones near the X and Y? So yeah, I just recently learned that, but then right now I'm placing it. And then I'm gonna duplicate it and try to create this flower. I know it's not perfect. And yeah, I'm gonna move it and then try to fit it inside of it. I hope that this tutorial is helpful. I haven't done one of these since last week, but like I think that this is a great video if you're a beginner like me. I'm learning as I go. So then I fitted it. I used the pivot too. And yeah, you do that on all of them. You can add more stuff on it, but I wanted to do something very basic, very like beginner friendly, and this is definitely, I like how it turned out so much. And yeah, I think this is the best flower yet. So yeah, keep on watching this video. And I don't know. Now I'm just trying to take away this, and then I'm going to add my little diamond that I created a while back. I did try to teach how to do paste scaling and other things, but make sure to always group your layers, because once you lose them, it's hard to get it back. And also, if you ever lost place of your canvas, like let's say you're in the gray area, always you can press B and then it'll go back to your canvas. So like now I'm trying to group it, and then you have to press shift to group all of them, but sometimes they don't end up how you want it to be. But then you can use the selection tool to put it all. You can use that. So now I'm gonna just put my diamond. I don't know what I'm doing right now. But also press shift and then try to click all of them and then group them. Grouping is always in, I think it's in the layer, yeah. In the layer menu, there's grouping. Just go there, just go to layer and grouping, and then group your flower, so then it's easier to adjust your like square kind of prism shape. I don't know what shape it is, but it is definitely prism. And then I changed it using the color below. And yeah, that is how you do it. It's so easy, and yeah, it only took a couple of minutes. You can watch back and forth, and it is pretty cool that I created this flower. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and comment below if you like. Yeah, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Have a nice day.